Hello student, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Blog. So student, today our question is if 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 27 whole to the power x is equal to 14, then find the value of x. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of x from this equation. So student, our given algebraic equation is 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 27 whole to the power x is equal to 14. So student, in this algebraic expression on the left hand side here is 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x plus 27 whole to the power x. So student, to find the value of x from this equation, so first of all we have to make the same base in all terms on the left hand side of this equation, then we are able to find the value of x. Student, now we can write from the left hand side of this equation 3 to the power x plus in the place of 9 we can write 3 to the power 2 whole to the power x plus in the place of 27 we can write 3 to the power 3 whole to the power x is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 14. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side of this equation 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x whole to the power 2 plus 3 to the power x whole to the power 3 is equal to 14. Let 3 to the power x is equal to a. Then we can write from this equation a plus a square plus a to the power 3 is equal to 14. So student, we have to transpose 14 from right hand side to left hand side. Then the left hand side will becomes a to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 plus a minus 14 is equal to 0. After that we can write from the left hand side of this equation a to the power 3 minus 8 plus a to the power 2 plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. So student, after that we can write from the left hand side of this equation a to the power 3 minus in the place of 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 plus again we have to write a square plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. So student, according to this formula we can write from first two term on the left hand side of this equation a minus 2 times a square plus 2a plus 2 square, that is 4 plus, so student, according to rules of factorization we can write from last three term a square plus 3 minus 2 times a minus 6 is equal to 0. So student, now again you have to write a minus 2 times a to the power 2 plus 2a plus 4 plus again we have to write a to the power 2 plus, so student, if you multiply 3 with a then you get 3a, and after that you have to multiply the sign plus with minus, then you get plus minus minus, and similarly you have to multiply 2 with a, then you get 2 times a minus again you have to write 6 is equal to 0. So student, after that we can write from the left hand side a minus 2 times a square plus 2 times a plus 4 plus, so student, after that we can write from the last 4 terms a times a plus 3 minus, so we have to take common 2 from last 2 terms, so we can write in here 2 times a plus 3 is equal to 0. On the left hand side again we have to write a minus 2 times a square plus 2 times a plus 4 plus, so student, in last 2 term here is a plus 3 is present, so now we can take common a plus 3 from last 2 term, so we can write in here a plus 3 times a minus 2 is equal to 0. So student, on the left hand side of this equation in both terms here is a minus 2 is present, so now you can take common a minus 2 from both terms, so we can write in here a minus 2 times a square plus 2 times a plus 4 plus a plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can write from the left hand side of this equation a minus 2 times, so student, after calculation we can write from this algebraic expression a square plus 3 times a plus 7 is equal to 0. So student, according to zero product rule we can write from this equation a minus 2 is equal to 0 and a square plus 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. So my dear student, our first equation is a minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we can transpose minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So we can write on the left hand side a is equal to, on the right hand side we get 2. So student, the value of a is 2, but we have to find the value of x. So now again we have to put the value of a in this equation. So student, the value of a is 3 to the power x. So we have to write 3 to the power x on the left hand side, and again we have to write 2 on the right hand side of this equation. So student, to find the value of x from this equation, so we have to take log on both sides. So student, after taking log on both sides, then you can write on the left hand side log of 3 to the power x is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write log of 2. According to this formula we can write from the left hand side of this equation x times log of 3 is equal to log of 2. So student, now we can transpose log of 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So on the left hand side we have to write x is equal to, on the right hand side we can write log of 2 over log of 3. So student, the value of x is log of 2 over log of 3. So this is our real solution. This equation, so student, now we can compare this equation with general form of quadratic equation. So student, after comparing this equation with general form of quadratic equation, then we can write in here a is equal to 1. The value of b is 3 and the value of c is 7. So now we have to apply the formula of discriminant. So student, our discriminant formula is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So student, the value of b is 3. So we can write in here 3 to the power 2 minus 4 times The value of A is 1 and the value of C is 7. So we have to write in here 4 times 1 times 7. So student, 3 to the power 2, that is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 7, that is 28. So student, after calculation we can write in here it is minus 19, which is less than 0. So student, D less than 0. So it is clear that this equation has no real solution. That means it has two imaginary solution that is not accepted for the given equation. The given equation has only one real solution, that is x is equal to log of 2 over log of 3. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.